Well taken care of 4-bedroom home with spectacular views located on the 18-mile marker of Lake of the Ozarks. This low-maintenance home has it all. Big views, 100 feet of shoreline, great parking, quality concrete dock, and the home is in wonderful shape. Nearly everything has been updated in the last 4 years: flooring, HVAC, water heater, roof, cabinets, appliances, lighting, bathrooms, and even the septic. Nothing left to be done other than to put your touches on it. This east-facing home located on Shawnee Bend has the perfect lake location. Go either way, up the lake or down the lake to all of the hotspots. It's also a quick jaunt to the state park. Plenty of decking including 2 private balconies off of 2 of the upper-level bedrooms as well as a large deck off of the lower level with panoramic views. It's an easy walk to the 2-well concrete dock that comes with 2 boat lifts.